Hello students, welcome back to our video. So in the last video we were discussing illustration 2 and in that we discussed the posting of first two journal entries. So now let's continue or let's post the remaining 3 journal entries into the ledger accounts. Okay, so come to the third journal entry that we have written in the journal book, that is 5th March. Entry is bank account was debited, then discount account was also debited to Mansi's account. So how to post this journal entry into the ledger accounts? So first of all, say you guys have already prepared the accounts, right? Bank account, discount account, Mansi's account. Now the second step is to decide on which account, on which side the entry would be posted. So you can see that bank account is debited, right? So in the bank account, the entry would be posted on the debit side. Then same way, discount account is also debited. So in the ledger discount account, the entry would be posted on the debit side of the discount account. And in the Mansi's account is credited, right? So in Mansi's account, the entry would be posted on the credit side. Got it? So second step is to decide this, on which side the entry would be posted. So we have already decided. So now let's start posting. So come to the bank account that you have prepared. So here is the bank account. So you all know that bank account is debited. Therefore in bank account the entry would be posted on the debit side. Correct? So write the year and the date, that is 2016 March 5th. But in particulars column, you all know in particulars column, if the account is debited, then in particulars column you have to write the opposite account which is credited. So here you can in the journal entry you can see that Mansi's account is credited. So write here to Mansi's account with the amount of 7,000 which is given against the bank account. You don't have to write the 7,400, but you have to write the 7,000. Got it? Okay. So now let's post in the discount account. So same way, discount account is also debited. So the entry would be posted on the debit side. So write the year and the date, 2016 March 5th. Same way, in particulars column you have to write the opposite account which is credited, because discount account is debited. Therefore on the debit side, the account which is credited, that would be written in the particulars column. So same way, write to Mansi's account. Amount would be 400. Okay, this is 400 which is shown against the discount account in the journal entry, 400. Got it? Now let's post in the Mansi's account. So come to the Mansi's account. So Mansi's account is credited, therefore entry would also be posted on the credit side. So write the year and the date, 2016 March 5th. You all know that in particulars column, if the account is credited, then in the particulars column the account which are debited, that account would be written or shown. So you can see that 2 accounts are debited, so you have to write the 2 account. So for pass the first entry, that is by bank account, amount would be 7,000, and again write the date 5th March, by discount account 400. Got it? Okay. So now we have posted this entry. Now let's post the next entry. The entry says Nitin's account is debited, Paresh account is debited to sales account. Got it? So you guys have already prepared the Nitin's account, Paresh account and sales account. So now second step is to decide on which side the entry would be posted. So in Nitin's account is debited, therefore in Nitin's account the entry would be posted on the debit side. Same way, Paresh account is also debited, therefore in Paresh account the entry would be posted on the debit side. And sales account is credited. So in the sales account, entry would be posted on the credit side of the sales account. So second step that we have already decided on which side the entry would be posted. So now let's start posting. So come to the Nitin's account that you have prepared. So here is Nitin's account. So Nitin account is debited, therefore entry would be posted on the debit side. So write the year and the date 2016 March 7th. In particulars column, if the account is debited, then in particulars column you have to write the account which is credited. So from the journal entry you can see that sales account is credited, correct? So write the to sales account with the amount of 6,400 which is shown against the Nitin's account in journal entry. You don't have to write the 9,600, but as you are posting in the Nitin's account, so the amount would also be written which is shown against the Nitin's account, that is 6,400. Then now post the entry into the Paresh account. So Paresh account is also debited, therefore entry would be posted on the debit side. So write the year 2016 March 7th. Again in particulars column, as Paresh account is debited, therefore in particulars column the account which is credited, that would be shown. So sales account is credited, so write the to sales account with the amount of 3,200 which is shown against the Paresh account in the journal entry, 3,200. Now let's post into the sales account. So come to the sales account, the last one. Okay, so sales account, you can see that sales account is credited, therefore entry would be posted on the credit side of the sales account. So write the year 2016 March 7. So in particulars column, as sales account is credited, therefore in particulars column the account which are debited, that would be shown. So two accounts are debited, so two entries would be passed. So first of all passed by Nitin's account with the amount of 6,400 and 7th March by Paresh account 3,200. Got it? Okay, so we have already posted this entry. So now let's post the last entry. Last entry, so what is this? Computer account was debited to cash account and to Piyush electronic account. So you guys have already prepared the computer account, cash account and Piyush electronic account. Okay, so now second step is to decide on which side the entry would be posted. So you can see that computer or laptop account is debited, therefore in computer's account, ledger accounts, the entry would be posted on the debit side, and cash and Piyush electronic account are credited, so therefore in cash account the entry would be posted on the credit side, and same way Piyush electronics account, the entry would be posted on the credit side because that account is also credited. Okay, so now let's start posting. So come to the computer's account that you have prepared. So here is the computer account. So computer account is debited, therefore entry would also be posted on the debit side, this side. Okay, so write the year 2016 March 9 to cash account. So in particulars column you have to show the accounts which are credited. So you can see that two accounts are credited, therefore two entries would be passed. So write the to cash account with the amount of 5,000 and to Piyush electronic account with the amount of 20,000. Got it? 5,000, 20,000. Okay, so now let's pass the entry into the cash account. So come to the cash account again, the first account that you have prepared. So here is the cash account. So cash account is credited, therefore entry would also be passed on the credit side, posted on the credit side. So write the year 2016 and date March 9. So in particulars column you have to write the account which is debited. So you can see that computer account is debited. So write the by computers account with the amount of 5,000. You don't have to write total 25,000. You have to write the 5,000 which is shown against the cash account, because now we are posting on the cash account. Therefore, amount would also be written which is shown against the cash account in the journal entry. Okay. And now let's pass the entry into the Piyush electronics account. So come to the Piyush electronics account. this is here. So Piyush electronic account is also credited. Therefore, entry would be also posted on the credit side. So write the year 2016, March 9. So in particulars column, the account which is debited, that would be shown by computer's account. Amount would be 20,000, which is shown against the Piyush electronic account in the journal entry. Got it? So you have to write the 20,000. Okay, like this you have to post the each journal entry into the ledger accounts. Got it? Okay. So with this, now we are done with the illustration 2. So this is how you have to post the journal entries into the ledger accounts. First step is to prepare the journal entries, pass the journal entries. Then second step is to prepare all the ledger accounts that you guys needed to be prepared. Then third step is to decide on which account, on which side the entry would be posted. Then fourth step is to, like, you have to decide in particulars what account will be shown. Okay, and yes, take care with the amount. You guys don't have to write the total anywhere. Okay, so also take care while writing the amount. Okay, so with this, now we are done with the illustrations too. So now we are going to stop here. In the next video, we would be continuing with the posting from subsidiary books. Till now, we learned about how to post into the ledger accounts from the journal entries. Correct? Now, next topic is how to post from the subsidiary books into the ledger accounts. That would be discussing in the next video. So if you have any questions or any doubts, please feel free to comment below the video. Thank you.